Hi, questions in topology. In this textbook, problem 12 in section 2.1, show that if X has a countable base for its topology, then X contains a countable dense subset. Solution. Suppose that beta is a countable base of X. Consider a subset of X, G, given by this one. We see that any point X not in G is a limit point of G. This says the closure of G is equal to the space X. This says G is a countable dense subset of X. Thanks for watching. Bye.